All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thanks for joining me on another video today. This video I'm actually extremely excited for because it's something I've been waiting for a long time with my GTR. So I finally bought an exhaust system for it. I'm really excited about it. I did a ton of research before I decided to make my purchase. So I looked into Army Tricks, I looked into Greddy, I looked into HKS, I looked into all the other brands out there. And at the end of the day, after all the research that I did, this brand sounded the best to me. And I was actually really surprised that this company made an exhaust system for GTRs or imports in general. So the exhaust system that I got is the Corsa Performance Extreme exhaust for my GTR. It's a catback exhaust and it also has a mid pipe. So it's gonna make the car sound a lot deeper and a lot more aggressive. And the best part about this exhaust is that there's absolutely no rasp whatsoever. So the first thing that we're gonna do in this video is listen to the stock exhaust. I'm gonna start up the car, give it a couple revs, and do a couple flybys. After I do that, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna install the exhaust system, and that's gonna be a completely separate video. In fact, there might be a card right up here that you can click on that'll take you, or maybe it's over here. Here? I don't know. Either way, there's going to be a link somewhere up here or maybe even down in the description where you can click on the link to see how to install the Corsa exhaust system on the GTR. But the main point of this video is the sound difference between a stock exhaust on a GTR and a modified exhaust on a GTR, specifically a Corsa Performance Extreme exhaust system. So without further ado, let's get this video started. So as you guys can see, the stock exhaust sounds okay. A lot of people think, you know, GTRs come stock with this great sounding exhaust, and that's just, in my opinion, not true. So I always tell people, if you're gonna get a GTR, the first thing you gotta do is you gotta change the exhaust. It's not impressive. It doesn't, in my opinion, live up to that supercar status of having that really fine-tuned exhaust sound. It sounds okay. So, you know, with that being said, I'm really excited to get this exhaust on. So now that we've taken the before clips, I'm gonna go put the exhaust on right now, and then hopefully I get it on tonight and finish tonight, and then I'll come back out and take some more clips, some after clips, and we'll see the difference. I think it's gonna be a huge difference. It's gonna sound amazing. I'm really excited for you guys to hear it. It is an extremely good sounding exhaust. So another thing to note, I don't have any other mods on the car. It's completely stock. So what you're hearing, it's not like I've got an intake or any type of tune or anything like that. So you're literally hearing a stock GTR. It's a 2017, 565 horsepower, 3.8 liter twin turbo V6, and you're hearing the stock version, and then you're going to be hearing the after version with the Corsa Performance Extreme exhaust system. So stay tuned, it's coming up in just a moment. All right, guys, so as you can see, the exhaust sounds amazing. I want to give a huge shout out to Josh for helping me install the exhaust, and a huge shout out to my buddy Phil, who works at Auto Nation Collision Center, for letting me borrow the lift and checking the exhaust for leaks. And a huge shout out to Corsa for making one of the best sounding exhausts for the GTR. Thanks, guys, for checking out this video. I hope you liked it. And once again, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.